Community is the somewhat similar to private cloud but allow the sharing of resources among other organization. Multiple organizations having same set of uniform security, privacy, and performance requirements share the single resources with each other. Any one of the multiple organization installs a centralized on-premises private cloud in the infrastructure and allows sharing of resources with other organizations having same requirements. This deployment method proved beneficial for small and medium-sized businesses with investing low cost as it is shared by everyone and gaining high resources. The figure demonstrates the community cloud deployment model, where a single private cloud serves multiple organizations. One thing to note is that the shared resources are completely dedicated to the particular organization and the controls and configurations could be customized. Community cloud offers a number of benefits that could not be found in other deployment models like convenience and control offer each organization to participate and collectively make decision. The customizations can be made as per particular organization needs. This model is cheaper than installing private cloud for each organization separately. For every organization, data is kept nearby to the physical location which make it quite much secure than public cloud. Additionally, there are various other advantages like scalability, reliability, cost effectiveness, data control, etc. Community cloud also faces multiple challenges, such as data isolation of every organization could be an issue if not configured properly. Since private cloud offer finite bandwidth and it has to be shared with multiple organization. In the case, the performance may degrade. This model is costly than public cloud deployment model but is cheaper than private cloud. Every organization share responsibility for the management, configuration, and decision making. Sometimes it may be possible that organizations do not reach to a mutual decision and conflicts may arise. The module on cloud computing deployment models ends here. The next module will cover up the technologies that enabled cloud computing. See you there.